Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond76, and for today's video, I am going to be known as Pam and not my YouTube channel name because I'm not going to be doing any home decor. I am going to be doing an unboxing, and this is what you all been waiting for because I did post this on my Instagram. And if you want to join me on my Instagram, please join me at Diamond2872. I would be happy to have you on my Instagram. And let's go ahead. If you want to see what I am finna unbox, then please keep on watching. Okay, this is what I'm going to be unboxing, and it is from Louis Vuitton. My husband brought this back from St. Thomas, and I told him when he was bringing it back, please don't crush my purse, okay? And let me go ahead and take it out the bag, okay? And for some odd reason, this is the box. They did not put a ribbon on it this time. Louis Vuitton and St. Thomas is going to be closing down, so there won't be any more Louis Vuitton, and he won't be able to go in there and look for what I want or to see if they have. And this is the receipt right here, and I'm not going to show the receipt because my information is on here. Okay, and let's go ahead and do this unboxing. First of all, I wanted something small, okay? Normally, as you all know, I like big purses. Like, for example, the Neverfull and my Kingston, okay? Those are the big pocketbooks that I do have and that I do like. But I wanted something small for when I go out. I do not carry small purses, but for this one, I really want it because I wanted something small for when I do go out and I don't want to carry a lot of things for that night. And let me open the box. Okay, and this is it right here in the Louis Vuitton bag, dust bag. And don't be shocked because you're not used to seeing me unbox anything small. And I'm going to have my notes right here that I'm going to be looking at. So I may be looking down. And this is her. So like I said, don't be shocked. I did open the box so that way I can look at it because I wanted to give it a once over. But you ready? This is it right here. Okay, I don't know if on camera it's coming off black up here, but it is black. But let's get into the details of this bag. First of all, this bag is called, and I hope I pronounced it right, the Saintage. And the color is noir. And it has a monogram canvas in the front, okay? And this right here, it has the diamond-shaped, metal diamond shape right here. And it has the double tassels attached to it. And the black up here, that is lambskin, okay, on the top and on the side and on the bottom of the bag, okay? And it does come with a long strap. Let me pull it out. Okay, and this is the strap right here, and that is really long, okay? And it also has a top handle right here that you can pull up. It also has the double zipper closure. Let me zip it up and I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay. And what I mean is by the double zipper closure, it has two zippers right here. Both of them you can pull down on each side. Okay. And let me also show you, it also has the monogram print on the back. Everyone knows that I'm a damier a bean girl, but for this bag right here, I had to have it, even if it was in monogram, because I think it is a really beautiful bag. Also, the strap right here, the long strap, it does not detach. Okay, it does not detach at all, and let me show you. Okay, right there, it does not detach, and it does not detach. The zipper is in the way. Okay, if you can see that, it does not detach at all. Okay, come on. Okay, and I really wanted this bag. It does remind you of, it is a camera bag, and I think that's what it looks like, a camera bag. I like the fact that I can pull this up and carry it by the top handle if I wanted to. And on the inside of this bag, let me show you. Okay, it does come with a booklet, and I think this is just the care booklet. Yeah, I think this is just the care booklet. And here is the Saint Taj. It has Saint Taj Ming Noir on here, just in case you may want to look for this bag. And also on the inside of this bag, you can tell this is new because it won't stretch. It is black on the inside. Okay, so whatever you put in here, you want to make sure that you can be able to see it. But everything is going to be in the Louis Vuitton print when I do use this bag. It does have a back pocket, flat back pocket right here. And I'm not sure if you can see it because it's black on the inside. And it does say Louis Vuitton, made in Paris, right here. And I'm not sure if you can see that. Okay, and I'm really loving this bag. I really am. And I will make sure there isn't anything else. And it does come with this on the inside. Okay, and really that's about it. But I wanted to do this unboxing because, like I said, I've been waiting weeks for this bag, and I hope that you have enjoyed. I'm still fumbling with it, but what I do really like is I do really like the zippers, and it does have Louis Vuitton on the zippers right here. And I'm not sure if you will be able to see that, but it has Louis Vuitton on both the zippers. And like I said, it has Louis Vuitton on this metal diamond shape that is in the front. And like I said, you can just carry it like this if you want to. Or once I put my things in it, the strap will be a little bit more to where I can carry it like this, or get the dents out of the strap because it was stuffed inside of this right here. Okay, that is my quick unboxing, I hope. And like I said, this is the Saint Taj in the color Noir by Louis Vuitton. And I hope that, I'm trying to see if I can get a thumbnail. I hope that you enjoyed my video and my unboxing. And like I said, I do love the fact that the straps do pull up. Like I said, there we go. I got the strap up even more because, like I said, it's new. I hope that you've enjoyed my unboxing. And again, my name is Pam. And if you like my content, please thumbs up this video now. And if you want to join my channel for any home decor or any luxury unboxings or any luxury goods that I do show on my channel, I like to be diverse and show both. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell for any video uploads or notification. And again, if you want to join me on my Instagram, please join me at Diamond2872. I would love to have you. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.